Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a song to your Facebook profile. So I'm just going to select my profile page here, scroll down until you find this bar right here, select music, and then I'm just going to select this plus button, and I'm just going to search for music. It's still August, so I'm just going to add the song August by Taylor Swift, and I'm just going to select the song. I'm just going to go back. You can add more songs, but that's pretty much how you can add music to your profile page. Hopefully it's going to be there. Maybe I have to refresh it, but it's on my profile page somewhere, I hope. But that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!